guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Shopkins. Let's open it. Just close up.
Well, we bought it from TJ Maxx. Okay, it's a vacation package, right?
To where? To ripped up? In the back here?
Yeah.
To where?
To France, England, Italy, Germany, and Spain.
Is UK again?
Yeah, UK, that's England. Actually, UK is bigger than England. UK consists of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland.
Let me see if I can see it through.
Yeah, Shopkins!
Oh no! It's gonna be the same one as the blender!
Are you sure?
Yeah!
We got duplicates again?
Duplicate in the same pack. But it's not gonna be a silver one.
Wow, this shoe is good. Right?
And
That's high
no! Yay! Got duplicate, but color. No, I hate duplicate. I want all the Shopkins. Is this duplicate?
I stacked them up already.
That's not how you stack them up.
Actually, we have a lot more, but I don't know where we... I found it somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah, we got this. We got Shopkins. Let's put each biggest Shopkin inside the shops. This one of the biggest one. No, this is the most biggest one.
I can get you
This
some
is-
more.
The second biggest one.
Actually, we have a lot of Shopkins, right?
Second
You see a
one.
big box of
This is
Shopkins.
from the bottom. No! Second biggest one, don't do that.
Let me get you some of those. You can stack them up.
Where is it?
You know how to stack them up?
Yeah, I do.
Stack them up. This one too. You can stack
Okay.
up on the top.
Yeah, I almost coughed. That almost hurt my. Can I put them on the side?
Yes, of course. Yeah, so many Shopkins. I remember we got.
Hey, cameraman!
Collector kit.
Cameraman! Come
Yes.
here, there, cameraman!
Yes.
Look, this is bigger than this, so you can also fit this together.
Yes.
Where you can have another box.
Yeah, you can put it on the top of it.
But this one's the.
No, put it here.
But we need more.
Yeah, we can open more later.
We need 3 more. Are you finding anything?
Nope, not this time.
So, okay, let me stack the last thing up. And then later we can put those ones up. First we have to get this one out and then we'll get that one out right there. And then we put it on here and then it'll be an ultimate castle if we put it under this space. So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So, press the subscribe button. Bye.